Welcome to 111 Littlefield Drive in Shelburne, Vermont, where thoughtful design meets everyday comfort in a location just moments from Shelburne Village. This spacious 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home offers a blend of privacy, style, and connection to nature. The living room features custom built-ins and a cozy wood stove set in a brick hearth. It's an ideal spot for conversation, reading, or greeting guests. The formal dining room adds character with elegant wainscoting, creating a welcoming space for mealtime or gatherings. At the heart of the home is a chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, a 6-burner Blue Star range, cafe appliances, and a spacious island, perfect for casual meals or entertaining. Enjoy versatile living spaces like the bright 3-season sunroom and a cozy media room ready for movie nights. Upstairs features 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. The primary bedroom is complete with an ensuite bathroom. For creatives and hobbyists, the lower-level makerspace is a hidden highlight, offering a private retreat with a utility sink for hands-on projects. Step outside to relax in the hot tub, take a dip in the above-ground pool, or explore the expansive yard. Set on a quiet semicircular drive, the property overlooks the scenic LaPlatte River. Enjoy quiet mornings or family moments in the riverside seating nook. Just minutes from Shelburne Village, you'll find charming cafes, local markets, and the world-renowned Shelburne Museum. And in just 20 minutes, you're in Burlington, home to a vibrant downtown, the University of Vermont, and year-round events on the Lake Champlain waterfront. 111 Littlefield Drive, where lifestyle, location, and design come together.